What a beautiful day. Welcome back to Three Guys in Vancouver. We've been gone for a minute, but now we're back. Today we're starting a new series where we go over all the neighborhoods of Richmond with you guys to help you find out which neighborhood suits you the best. To start us off, we're in the neighborhood of Riverdale today. As you can see, we're by the river. This area mostly comprises of luxury houses, big plots of land, and occasional water view condos just around the corner over there. What makes this area special is that geographically, we are right across the airport over there. Behind me, we have the bridge that leads across all the way to Russ Baker Way, which you can go to Vancouver. We have a whole bunch of water gliders over there. So if you're in the mood, you can swim over the river and then hop on one of your private gliders and go for a flight. Do you guys remember the 2010 Winter Olympics hosted in Vancouver? Well, the location of the Richmond Oval is right down there. That's where they held a lot of the Olympic competitions, and now it has been changed to a community center. It has a bunch of large basketball courts, a huge skating rink, badminton courts, and rock climbing. So you can work out there and train like an athlete. Right beside the Oval right there, we have a bunch of high-rises. That is considered Oval Village. It is a blooming community filled with many high-rises, restaurants, and shops. One of the notable supermarkets over there is called TNT Supermarket. It's the Asian favorite. For you to get to over there for your daily shopping or workout, it takes roughly 3 minutes to drive there. Pretty close. Or if you have a very healthy lifestyle and prefer to walk, you can walk along the river all the way to the Oval and the stores nearby. All right, let us take you for a drive around Riverdale so you can get a rough idea of what the neighborhood is like. And I should have brought my skateboard today, even though I don't skate. We have a pretty sick park over here. These are actually quite rare in Richmond, so if you're into skating or skateboarding, this is the place to go. Over here to our right is Thompson Community Center. This is within the Riverdale area and it's connected to Burnett Secondary. Traditionally, Burnett Secondary was one of the top 3 schools in Richmond, top 3 high schools. The advantage of being joined to a community center is that you have a bigger field that you can use. Burnett Secondary has the AP program, Advanced Placement. It allows your child to take university level courses in high school to better prepare them for a better future. Now we're about to turn into the inner neighborhoods of Riverdale. So Riverdale is split into 2 halves by Westminster, the northern half and the southern half. The northern half is by the water and the southern half has a quieter neighborhood. The southern part of Riverdale has bigger plots of land. As you can see all around you, there are huge houses. One of the houses we sold in Riverdale last year was on Gibbon Street, and it was sold for around $7 million. The land is 21,000 square foot, one of the biggest in Richmond. Right now we're on Gibbons Road as well. This is known as the Mansion Road of Richmond due to all the big plots of land and the huge houses that are built on it. And then to our left is Thompson Elementary School. It is one of the top ranked public elementary schools of Richmond. So being in Riverdale, you're in a good school district for both elementary school and secondary. Now we're entering the northern half of Riverdale. The northern half is right by the river, so you have a beautiful riverfront trail to walk on. It is super close to the deck that we were just on, and it's super close to the Oval Village as well. However, it is slightly louder than the southern side, due to it being so close to the outer rim of the city. You will experience lots of traffic on River Road if you do choose to purchase a home that has a riverfront view. If you want to live in the prestigious Riverdale neighborhood but you're not a big fan of huge houses, I have a secret that I'm about to show you. In this area, entering from Tiffany Street, there are actually lots of smaller houses that are much more affordable than the mansions shown on the other clip. There's also a couple older townhouses here as well, if that is your choice of preference. And the catchment school for this area is still Burnett Secondary, but the elementary school is now Blair. It is also another one of the top Richmond public elementary schools. You can see some beautiful tall trees turning orange in the color of fall. If you follow this secret trail in the midst of the southern district of Riverdale, you can reach Blair Elementary School. Now that we've taken you guys around the block, I hope you guys learned something new and have a better idea of whether this area is suitable for you or not. In the next episode, we'll be going over the numbers and pricing for this area. Thank you all for watching. If you liked it, make sure to please click like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Stay tuned.